there is not enough time for the Congress to look into the impeachment cases against Vice President Sara Duterte as we are already in the last month of the year. That is according to political analyst attorney Ed Chico. Attorney Chico mentioned in an interview on Radyo Pilipinas World Service that he thinks such an impeachment against the vice president might not be able to get fulfilled as the Congress will be no longer in session by December 21 and the process itself is considered tedious.
The impeachment process is quite tedious. You have to understand that when you file a complaint, it would have to be endorsed, it would have to be subsequently referred to the Justice Committee, and the Justice Committee is given 3 days within which to find out whether or not it is actually sufficient in form, and then they would also have to deliberate whether it's also sufficient in substance. Then they would have to endorse it to the plenary within a period of 60 days. So given how tedious the process is, I don't think they have sufficient time.
Attorney Chico added that although the Congress may speed up the impeachment proceedings, there is a risk the public might perceive the move as politically motivated.
And assuming for the sake of argument that they're able to fast track the proceeding, which because they could, because it's a political game, as we all know, you have to wonder what would be the backlash be as regards public's perception. Because if the public would sense that it is outright politically motivated, then the public might not take it well.
It is noted that a second impeachment complaint was filed against Vice President Duterte last Wednesday by the group Bagong Alyansang Makabayan or Bayan in relation to the alleged misuse of confidential funds within the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education. For Radyo Pilipinas World Service, this is Steph Vicente.